Alright, Zane, what's going on? What we're doing?
We are on our way to Peʻahi for one of the biggest swells we've ever seen forecasted, so pretty excited to see what it's going to look like. 5:50 right now. We're actually a little behind schedule to get to Hawaiiʻs Harbor. Standard. Hopefully Billy and Nathan, guys, aren't loaded up before us because I have a little extra gear than them with the windsurf and stand-up and wing gear. Yeah, it might even be more of a tow day today. Big wave riders from all over the world were coming to Maui to experience what many were calling one of the biggest swells to hit Hawaii's shoreline in over a decade. The energy was on at Hawaii's Harbor, and so was our crew on top of the boat. Joining us out on the boat is Eli Olsen, Nathan Florence, Andrew Carr, and WSL Big Wave World Champion Billy Kemper. When we first arrived, the swell wasn't as big as we were anticipating for, but we knew the swell was going to be on the rise and quickly. With this, a lot of the riders just decided to be patient and wait for the tow session later in the day as the real swell started to show up. But as you could see, there were still some bombs, so Andrew Carr, Nathan Florence, and I got out and snuck a few before we all transitioned onto the tow surf gear.
Now that the wind's on, wind's in line here. We got all the towers out of the water now. Victor, Sean, good day. What a beautiful day.
Regardless of the super strong wind and the crazy chop on the face, this day proved that even on windy days, Peʻahi is great for tow surfing. I mean, there were some pretty big chops and bounces in the wave rides, but everyone was out there still charging. January 16th is a day that's going to go down in history for big wave surfing. And I'm so grateful to get a taste of it. Stand-up paddling, toe-in surfing, and even windsurfing. The following day, the waves were still pumping, and you know we got back out there.
First of all, my Auntie Stacy got me this lunchbox for Christmas, and I love it. Second of all, my wife's the best. Look at her, she packed me lunch. Got some chia oatmeal, energy drink, some soup, even some love letters, and we'll charge them. Love you, Kimberly. Mahalo, I think you're up there somewhere.
Shut up and sit down.
Unfortunately for my brother, his session ended pretty quickly on January 17th, and with a pretty heavy situation. On this wave, I remember thinking I was gonna catch the same wave with him. I was paddling for the left and I missed it. And on my way back out, I remember hearing someone yelling at me. It was actually Kai Lenny initially yelling to me, "Your brother got hurt, your brother got hurt." And I immediately started sprinting towards the channel, and Curtis Chongi, water safety, picked me up and took me to Andrea Muller on her jet ski where she had Maddie. And apparently Maddie had a double wave hold down on that wipeout and ended up blacking out and going unconscious underwater. You know, fortunately, we have really solid safety teams, and Maddie was prepared to keep his chin down and stay calm under the heavy situation. But all in all, we made it in safe. We're so grateful for the awesome times the ocean and Peʻahi offered to us. Mahalo to all you guys for tuning in to another episode in Zane's World. Right on, I appreciate it. Stay tuned for more action to come. All right.